If you're currently using Discord and you want to manage your chat features or those local chat features, I'm going to walk you through what are those available features there and how you can enable, disable them if you want to have more control, or let's say disable some of those default enabled features that comes with the Discord chat. So once you're inside Discord, all you have to do really is click the user settings on the lower left hand side, and once you're here, look for the chat on the left hand side here and just click there. Now here consists of quite a few things that you can actually enable, disable. You have things such as when you post as a link to chat, you can enable or disable that. These that you see here is actually enabled by default, and some of them are actually, two of them are turned off by default. So you can have a look to see what's there. When upload directly to Discord, images larger than 10 megabyte will not be previewed, and this is currently enabled. So if you want that to show, you can turn this off as well. So you have that feature. You have another one here with image description. So image description are used to describe images for screen readers. This is currently turned off, but if you want to use this, you can easily turn on this feature as well. So it's really up to you here. And I said by default, this is turned off, so you can always enable that if this is what you use. Embed and linked previews, this is enabled. You can keep this or you can turn this off. Emojis, it says show emojis reaction on messages. This is enabled, so for whatever reason, if you don't want to have that, you can always turn this feature off as well. So well, that's a good feature to have really, and it's good that it's there by default. But if for whatever reason you want to, let's say, take these off, you can actually disable it. Right, automatically convert our emoticons in your message to emoji. You can do that. For example, when you type the colon on this bracket here, Discord will convert it to the smiley face. So that's actually cool because it can recognize what it is. So it's on by default, and you can keep this on, or basically if you want to turn it off. Right, stickers in autocomplete, this is turned off. Right, you can turn this on if you want. And you have the text box. It says preview emoji, mentions, and markdown syntax. As you type, you have that enabled. And here for the threads, it says open threads in split view. This is turned on by default, and you can keep that on or disable it, right? And the final options that you have here is to show spoiler content. It says one click. You can put this to always, or you can actually choose the on server or moderate there. So it's really up to you guys what you want to enable or disable in this section. I would say that the features that are automatically enabled are normally what people use or would like to use. But if for whatever reason you want to have certain control, you want to strip down some of those features because you don't want user to use them, then you can disable them. And that's the reason why I'm showing you this section here, so that you know what's available, what you can enable, what you can turn off. If you find some value here, guys, I would say give this video a like. I'd greatly appreciate that. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm Anjo. Welcome to Drew Tutorial. And that's all there is to it, guys. Thank you guys for your time, and looking to see you in the next video.